The police, a pillar of strength and safety. But what do we really know about them? This video will explain how we found out what the public really thinks and knows about the police. This is an explanation of the Neighbourhood Researcher Badge, which we started as an open university project at our guides. These are the graphs that we made of the results of our questionnaires. This graph shows that most people agree that the police control people, but a lot disagree. This graph shows that most people don't know what the public view of the police is. Most people didn't know if children knew enough about police activities, but most of the people that didn't agree were children. Most people disagreed that police punishments are too harsh, but some didn't know. A huge majority agreed that we do not know enough about police activities. Almost everyone agreed that the police are good at identifying crime and criminals. Most people thought that we do not see the police often enough. People thought that sometimes the police are correct, sometimes they aren't, and sometimes we don't know. A lot of people don't know if the police obey the law, but most of the rest agree. The public majority does not know whether or not the police accuses without evidence. This is the poster we made to show our results and an overall conclusion of the badge and the research we did. When we were doing our research, we found it very interesting that the opinions of children on how much we knew about the police and police activities were very different from the opinions of adults. Adults presumed that children knew about the police, but the children said otherwise, as you can see in this graph. This is the Neighbourhood Researcher Badge, which everyone in our guide group got once we had finished the badge. Recap. The most important things that we found were: we don't know enough about what the police do. We don't see the police often enough in the streets. And, most importantly, children and adults have very different views on the amount of knowledge we have of the police. Remember, the police are there, and it is our job to make sure people don't ignore them.